Hello there. Reflection 3D software will be informed about the use of software. I am coming to file to open previously. Open the videos. Say open. I set my file name. I set open samples. In the examples, I open an iron object first. The appearance of the iron object seems rather fuzzy and large. The area of iron and magnetization in iron is larger than other precious metals. I am going to make sure our iron object is part of it. Again, with the navigation case on the target, I am pulling. I see that the value on the left is 33. Iron usually gives 33 of the objects. Our scala is not rising. When I want to take depth of these iron objects, I choose my floor. I see that my depth is 2 meters and 50 centimeters. I am sharing my file. File open. Here we have several examples. I am turning on a mineral sample after iron. Mineral rock soils appear. In this way, the red colors appear dense and amorphous. See that the distinction here is also minus 60. When I look over the navigation case and just look at the scaling on the left side, if wasn't the minus in the two iron sample, the figure was 33. I left the data open so can you also understand the difference. An object of iron is a mineral object like this. It is very similar, but to iron is particularly different. I open my other example in the software. I am opening our bronze chest. A bronze chest in the software looks like this. In order to get the value, I go with the navigation case. I see that the value is around 33. The weighting here makes the magnetic field around the bronze chest. And it looks like this in the reaction. Our result is 33, same as iron. However, when we compare the pattern here with the example of the iron in the other example, when we put two examples together, the bronze seems to be qualified according to the iron we think. He left a reflection on the bottom of his frame. I am moving to another example. Open file. Here we see a room in a tunnel. As you can see, it has a formal and magnified way. We need to adjust the ground conditions. Tumors are selected as air in the R software. Our choice as the air is that the filer has been brought to main floor. That's why the tumuli are described as air. I move the navigation case to center of the target and I see that my depth is 30 meters 60 centimeters. I am pulling this level night away to see what level the tunnel entrance starts from. That it starts again from 5 meters above is such a data. We see the tunnel and the room, but no precious metal or metal in it. Therefore, precasing is unnecessary. I am going the others. File. Hungry. A runway appears here. Probably ground is a ground soil. No metallic objects are visibly. Reflection in order to understand the space in your 3D software or understand to the room. You must turn our data sideways and extend the blue downward. If it doesn't lay at this level, we can understand that there is not a gap, but a wall. Let's find our depth here. I am carrying all the data. The depth seems to be 61 centimeters. There is no precious metal on the floor. Our software has many color options and filter options. The color filters have the red, brown, and blue tones. It makes that transparent when we play with tones. When we drop the blue data, we see the reflections of the ion. The level here depends on the user. Earth tone and the blue tone can be completely removed. In this way, a better image obtained. I am restoring the data. Our other filter options are interpolating with 3 titles. Our liner angel, sweet lines, and other filter options, sharpen, blur, and gloss through, and both. We can make corrections on the data. It allows use the search the realistic. We have the offset. Sharpen, blur, gloss blur, and pose. We can make corrections on the data. It allows use the search the realistic view of the object. If desired, all operations can be restored and the data can be restored. With the arrow key. The menu has become old now. Thanks. Another feature of the writing is that the color translations can vary according to the user. You can choose according to your wishes. Right side, high signals, common level ground, and the reg signals. Colors for the lowest level of the gap signals are selected here. For example, here I am choosing an example. Our highest signal is here as well as seen in the red. The surrounding area is green on the red. There are three types of metal. Our most precious metal is white. A green arm around it and iron, the outside. They may vary according to the user's wishes.